Asphalt shingles. They are the most common roofing material found across North America today. Originally developed in the early 20th century as a cost-effective alternative to wood, these shingles consist of a fiberglass or felt paper base coated with asphalt and topped with ceramic granules. The granules protect the roof from ultraviolet light and provide the material's color. Builders and homeowners rely on them because they balance affordability with a reasonable lifespan, making them a practical choice for a wide variety of climates. Architectural shingles. Sometimes referred to as dimensional or laminated shingles, these are a thicker, upgraded version of the standard asphalt variety. Manufacturers bond two or more layers of asphalt together to create a textured, three-dimensional appearance that mimics the look of natural wood or slate. Because of their extra thickness, they offer better wind resistance and generally last longer than their flat counterparts. They have become the standard for new home construction over the last couple of decades due to their enhanced durability and curb appeal. Wood shingles. Traditionally milled from cedar, redwood, or pine, these are one of the oldest roofing materials still in use today. They're machine-cut to exact dimensions, resulting in a smooth, uniform appearance across the roofline. As they age, the wood naturally weathers to a silvery-gray tone that blends seamlessly with rustic and coastal environments. While they offer excellent natural insulation, they do require regular maintenance to prevent moss growth and rot, and are often treated with fire retardants to meet modern building codes. Wood shakes. Unlike machine-cut wood shingles, traditional shakes are split by hand or machine split along the grain of the wood. This manufacturing process leaves a highly textured, uneven surface that creates a rugged, deeply shadowed look on a roof. Early settlers often relied on wood shakes because they could be crafted on-site using available timber and simple hand tools. Today, they're chosen primarily for their distinct aesthetic charm, though they are much thicker than standard wood shingles and can offer slightly better weather protection when installed correctly. Clay tiles. People have been firing clay to protect their homes for thousands of years, with early examples tracing back to ancient China and the Middle East. Wet clay is molded into various shapes, most famously the curved barrel style, and baked at high temperatures to harden. They are incredibly heavy, requiring a reinforced roof structure, but they are also completely fireproof and can endure for over a century. The distinctive terracotta red color is iconic in Spanish and Mediterranean architecture, reflecting heat exceptionally well in hot, sunny climates. Concrete tiles. Introduced in the 19th century as a more accessible alternative to clay, these are manufactured from a simple mixture of sand, cement, and water. Modern production techniques allow them to be molded and dyed to imitate the appearance of traditional clay, wood shakes, or even slate. They share the heavy weight and impressive longevity of clay tiles, but are generally more resilient against impact damage like hail. Their versatility and lower production costs have made them a staple in areas prone to severe weather or wildfires. Slate shingles. Quarried directly from the earth, this metamorphic rock is split into thin, smooth sheets to create one of the most durable roofing materials in existence. Castles and historic landmarks across Europe have featured slate roofs for centuries, largely because the stone is entirely natural, waterproof, and fire-resistant. A properly installed slate roof can outlast the building it sits on, often surviving for 150 years or more. The sheer weight and specialized skill required for installation make it a premium choice, reserved for structures built to stand the test of time.
Metal shingles. While standing steam metal roofs are common, metal can also be stamped and formed into individual pieces designed to resemble wood, slate, or tile. These are typically stamped from steel, aluminum, or copper and finished with protective coatings to prevent rust and fading. They first gained widespread popularity in the late 1800s when lightweight, fireproof materials were needed in growing urban centers. They shed snow and rain effortlessly, reflect radiant heat, and represent a lightweight, long-lasting option that is almost entirely recyclable at the end of its life. Solar shingles. Representing the newest evolution in roofing technology, these function as both a protective barrier against the elements and a miniature power generator. Also known as building-integrated photovoltaics, they incorporate thin-film solar cells directly into the surface of the shingle. Instead of bolting bulky solar panels over an existing roof, homeowners can install these to maintain a sleek, traditional roofline while capturing renewable energy. Though the initial investment is substantial, they redefine the purpose of a roof by actively reducing household electricity costs over time.